What happens when you put chalk in a rock tumbler? Welcome back to Will It Tumble, where we answer questions that nobody asked. But now that I asked it, don't you want to know? My expert hypothesis for this one is that it will just dissolve because it's all chalky, but maybe I'll be pleasantly surprised and it'll turn into silly putty or something fun like that. To test my hypothesis, first I'm just adding a few of my favorite flavors to a rock tumbler barrel. Pink, lemon, lilac, lime, blueberry, orange, purple, Barbie pink, blue-ish, and last but not least, gender-neutral baby yellow. Here is our beautiful assortment of colors. Next, I'm filling the barrel up with water. Is it just me, or does it sound like the chalk is screaming? I'm adding just a teensy bit of magic rock tumbling powder, closing it all up, and plopping it down on the barrel. I'm gonna let it tumble for 4 days, and then we'll see. Okay, it's been 4 days and it's time to see what's going on in this barrel. I'm slightly concerned after a quick shake test because it feels soupy in there, but I'm still holding out hope for silly putty. And it's almost completely liquid. There's a few chunks in there, but otherwise my hypothesis was correct. At least it's a pretty color.